Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create Stereoscopic ring text effect using Brush, Distort and Transform in Adobe Illustrator. Enter any random text as per your requirement. I am using font family Ubuntu and size equals 100 points. Right-click and create outline. Converts editable text into vector shape. Create pattern brush by pulling text into brushes panel, as shown. Draw circle 900 by 900 dimensions using ellipse. Select circle and apply pattern brush to the circle from the brushes panel. Select Object. Go to Strokes and apply Width Profile, as shown. Finally, select Circle and go to Effects, Distort and Transform. Scale the object into 90%. Rotate 22 degrees and change the number of copies to 20. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.